How to pin folders to quick access in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to keep your most used folders just one click away in File Explorer. First, open File Explorer on your computer. After that, navigate to the folder you want to pin. From there, right-click on that folder. At this point, select Pin to Quick Access from the menu. In the next step, the folder will now appear under the Quick Access section in the left sidebar. Following this, repeat these steps for any other folders you'd like quick access to. Once done, click on Quick Access in the sidebar anytime to see all your pinned folders in one place. Keep in mind, if you want to unpin a folder later, just right-click on it under Quick Access and select Unpin from Quick Access. Finally, you can also drag and drop pinned folders to reorder them based on how often you use them. And that's it. If this guide helped you pin folders to quick access in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.